See how does it scratch? First, you drop it. Second, you get some sandpaper block. You rub it really hard.
Wow, that's working great.
Yeah.
I can see the scratch disappearing right now. Look.
Yeah. Then you gotta go get some card clean. Then you gotta get your knife. Then some more sanding. Wow, it's coming out.
Wait, you forgot something.
Yes, I did.
It's a handy dandy blowtorch.
A blowtorch. Good enough. It's out of gas.
Oh no, the sanding block. Put it out. Oh no! Quick, we need a fire extinguisher.
Okay, then you got the hammer. Right here. Mr. Hammer.
Put the sanding block out.
There. And that's how you get scratches out of a computer. You're supposed to blend.
Say goodnight.
Good night.